Welcome to SOTT, my TikTok series wherein I will test out fragrances under extreme circumstances to test out their projection and longevity to give you the performance. For today's video, we are using Lataf of Akar. So Lataf of Akar is a warm, spicy, citrusy, woody type of scent. It is actually a clone of YLSLY, if I'm correct. Basta yun. So I think this is very good for today, especially mag-grocery ako, punta kami ng grocery store. So I guess it's good, especially maglalakad tayo, push tayo ng cart and get a lot of things and then mainit dun sa labas. So as usual, one here, dito tayo sa neckline, pero hindi sa mismong neck kasi bawal daw yan. And sa likod. And alam ko, by the way guys, huwag niyo ako gayahin. Sanay lang ako sa buhok. And then one on our shoulders. Yun lang. And I think I'm good for the day. Nga pala, by the way, one thing I noticed on Fokar, the lavender note stands out like a lot. In a sense na amoy air freshener siya. Amoy Glade na lavender. Yun lang ang comment ko. Pero so far, so good. Let's see kung gaano siya magkatagal sa akin. So after nga na, bumiyahin na agad kami para pumunta sa grocery store. Ito na kami ngayon. Naka-arrive na kami. Nag-park lang sandali. Ang init sobra. Tirik yung araw pa rin. Oh my God. And then we will enter the store. Tamang libot lang kami. Naghanap kami ng mga kainan. Yun. Nagpunta kami ng McDonald's kasi wala lang kaming choice. Kain na kami. And then may pupuntahan kami after nito kasi may nakita ako. Ito yung nakita ko. So look what I found here. So hindi ko alam na meron palang prescripto dito. So pumunta ako para check kung meron ba ako nagustuhan na smell. So tamang tingin-tingin lang muna kami, test lang. And ito yung mga napili ko. Paul Smith and Banana Republic. I like them. Meron din palang aficionado dito. So yun, after nun, di na ako pupunta ng aficionado. Umalis na kami. Prescript pa lang, okay na sa akin. Guys, look. It's the top of a car. Just kidding. By the way, so yun. Naglakad-lakad na lang kami. Grocery lang kami. Reminder lang guys, huwag nang gawin pabango to. Dio spray yan eh. So yun, bayad na kami ng aming grocery. Sardinas muna kami kasi, dami kong binili. So guess how much ang nagastos namin for those? Guess how much? 2,000! It's worth 2,000! What the fuck? After nun, di na ako nag-video. Umuwi na kami para mapahinga. Amoy-amoy lang. Yun. So yun na nga, nakauwi na ako and makapagsabi na ako ng final comments ko about the top of a car. So what I noticed sa top of a car is it lasts long throughout the day. I think I spent my time outside 4 or 5 hours. Hindi ko na natrack. But yeah, it lasts long sa aking skin, sa pulse points ko, sa kamay ko, and then sa my clothes. The only problem with the top of a car is that it doesn't project as much as I expected it to project compared to Rasasi Hawas, which is also a fresh aromatic type of fragrance na sobrang lakas ng projection niya na maaamoy ka in a 1 meter radius. For me, that is for me. What I like about this is that I can still smell the lavender, the bergamot, maybe some woody smell on my body, which I like. Ang problema nga lang talaga is yung projection niya. Kailangan mo talaga lumapit para lang maamoy siya. So, maybe my final rating for Lataf of a Car is 6 out of 10. Would I recommend this for students for an everyday use? Yes, I might recommend this. Also, tip na lang din if ever na gusto nyo siyang gamitin for an everyday use is gumamit na lang siguro kayo ng mga decant bottles or parang mga ganito. I don't suggest this one, pero if kaya nyo mag-decant kayo para kung gusto nyo mag-respray na lang kayo kasi sobrang laki ng bottle niya. Mahirap siyang dalhin sa isang bag. So how about you guys? Sa mga taong merong Lataf of a Car, how is your experience? What are your comments? And sa mga gustong bumili ng Lataf of a Car, does this video help you on buying Lataf of a Car or are you considering other fragrances? Comment down below kung anong gusto nyo masabi about this fragrance and kung anong gusto nyo isunod ko na i-review. Yun lang. Peace!